My name's Judy. I'm a dental assisting instructor here at Anderson College. I've been in dentistry for over 35 years. The program is to find professionals for the dental field and dental assisting. We're basically dental nurses. We assist the dentists. We help them stay organized.
I actually had a career as a PSW, but it was too physically demanding and I had to change my career. I was looking up the dental programs and I found Anderson College online.
I chose this program because there is a lot of opportunities, works. Just looking for the neighborhood, there is in every corner there is a dental office, so there is a lot of opportunity.
So they invited me in for a tour, and then I had the tour. I met the instructor, and then I decided that I would be here in it maybe a week for me to be in the program and coming to class.
What we do in the program is not only teach the skills they need to do and the theory behind it, but also how to be a professional in that environment and be successful. So we teach them, all about the instruments and procedures and how to do all the skills. We do half of the day is in the classroom, the other half of the day is here in the clinic. There's a lot of hands-on. They will learn to take x-rays. So there's a lot of dental materials, equipment.
The teachers here are very supportive. They explain it very, very into detail so you understand it very well.
If you have any questions or if you're struggling, you can just go to them and they'll help you any which way they can.
Since I've been in it, I've learned a lot. I've grown more as a person.
Right now we're in radiography, which is fun. We can take radiographs. And then there's the clinical part where we do sterilization, procedures, and the instruments. And then there's another program where we do impressions. So we do whitening trays and mouth guards.
National Dental Assisting Examination Board, they put out an exam that is done at the end of the program. So when students graduate, they are level 1. And when they graduate, they will become HARP approved on graduation so they can take x-rays. In order to do all the skills that they learn in level 2, they need to write and pass that national exam. And from there, most of them, if not all of them, will get hired. Sometimes they get hired out of their first placement. And then by the end of level 2, a lot of them come back employed.
So I was out of school for 15 years and I was really nervous to come back, and I'm almost 40. So I was also worried about my age. And honestly, I am doing very well and I surprise myself and I really enjoy being here at Anderson.